Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel that is My Knowledge Park and today we have to discuss regarding the pronouns. आज की वीडियो में pronouns के बारे में देखना है. First of all we must understand what do you mean by pronouns. पहली बार या सबसे पहले pronouns का मतलब क्या है ये समझ लेना बहुत जरूरी है. We must understand what do you mean by pronouns. Now what is pronoun? Let me write over here the meaning of pronoun and the definition of pronoun. You see, pronoun it is one of the parts of speech and it is used in spite of name, in spite of particular name, before the person place and things or thing, before person place and things or thing. So just try to understand my dears, pronouns क्या है? Pronoun, it is one of the parts of speech. In my previous videos, I told you there are 10 types of nouns and it had not been involved in that one. But if you have added this one, there will be 11 parts of nouns will be there. So out of those nouns, this is one of the noun or this is one of the pronouns and we have to see regarding that pronoun. Pronoun क्या है? Pronoun it is one of the parts of speech. ये क्या है हुआ ये एक शब्दों की जाति है, parts of speech और लफ्जों की and it is used in spite of name. ये नाम के अलावा यूज किया जाता है, डायरेक्ट नाम नहीं लेना. For example, one paragraph is there. In that paragraph, what it will be there? In that paragraph, supposed to be there are 4 to 5 lines. And if there are 4 to 5 lines are there, then for example, if particular name has come over there, after coming that particular name in one of the paragraphs, that name should not be repeated again and again. To that name, one more what it is there, the name is there, and to that name has been called as a pronoun. उसको रामा को एक सेंटेंस के अंदर या पैराग्राफ के अंदर दोबारा रामा ऐसा करता है, रामा वैसा करता है, ऐसे बोलने से बेहतर है कि रामा का एक पर्यायी, एक ऑप्शनल क्या है बाबा, नाउन है, वो है प्रोनाउन. और उसको यूज करने से वो जो पैराग्राफ है, वो पैराग्राफ क्या होता है, नॉट ओनली इट बिकम्स ब्यूटीफुल बट आल्सो इट इज बेटर टू लिसन. सुनने के लिए क्या है बाबा, अच्छा दिखाई देता है. So again and again I am saying, what I am saying, what is the intention of my spoken English class? My spoken English class intention is only one, that my listeners are supposed to be, what we can say, not gone wrong whenever they are going to listen, whenever they used to speak and whenever they used to write. That is very important. So which are the pronouns? Let me list the names of the pronouns or the examples of the pronouns. So what they are, try to understand. He is there, she is there, it is there, that is there, I is there, we is there, you is there, they is there. After that, this is there, that is there. Yeah, that has come over here. That is there. And apart, this is there, this is there, those is there, this is there, those is there. Apart from these pronouns, इन ये जो प्रोनाउंस है, नाम के अलावा जो व्यक्ति के सामने या जगहों के सामने या थिंग्स के सामने यूज किए जाते हैं, इनके अलावा क्या है बाबा, इनके अलावा बहुत सारे क्या है प्रोनाउंस है जो क्या किया जाता है, ये जो प्रोनाउंस है ना, यूज किए जाते हैं. अब कैसे इनके अलावा प्रोनाउंस कैसे यूज किए जाते हैं, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अब ये ही, सी, इट, दैट, आई, वी, यू, दे, दिस, दीज, दोज, ये जितने भी प्रोनाउंस है, ये जो प्रोनाउंस है सेंटेंस में आने के बाद कैसे होते हैं, वो रिपीट, नाम रिपीट नहीं होता, प्रोनाउंस रिपीट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रामा इज अ गुड बॉय and he obeys, and he obeys what? And he obeys all the orders, all the orders. Try to understand, my dears, here what it is there. Rama is a good boy, no doubt, and he obeys all the orders. Here, in spite of Rama, I have taken here he, that he is going to express the meaning of Rama. In the same way, if you have taken the example of, if you have taken the example of any one of the sentences, then the same will be there. Now you see, Sita is a tallest of all the girls, in the class, but she has an ego. Now what it is there? Try to understand. He also and she also. In first sentence, Rama is a good boy and he obeys all the orders. In this sentence, he is pronoun and Sita is the tallest of all the girls in the class, but she has an ego. Here, she is a pronoun. Try to understand, my dears. I make you understand that what do you mean by pronoun. Pronoun का मतलब क्या है? बस आज के वीडियो में हमें सिर्फ pronoun क्या है वो समझ लेंगे. We will come to know the what exactly do you mean by pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun, it is one of the parts of speech and it is used in spite of name. नाम के अलावा उसको लिखा जाता है. कहाँ? नाम के सामने. Before the person, place and things. A person क्या है? जैसे कि रामा है, हरि है. अंडरस्टैंड, ही, सी, इट, दैट. ही, सी, रामा और हरि के लिए यूज किया जाता है. उसके साथ साथ एनिमल है बाबा. एनिमल क्या है? पर्सन. अब प्लेस है, सिटी है. पर्सन, प्लेस एंड थिंग्स. थिंग्स में बहुत सारे, टेबल है, चेयर है, अंडरस्टैंड, कुकर है, कंप्यूटर है, थिंग्स है. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से यू, आई एम गोइंग टू से यू दैट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोनाउंस. प्रोनाउंस सर्वनाम जो सब के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं और उनके बहुत सारे क्या है बाबा? पार्ट्स है. किनके? प्रोनाउंस के. Relative pronouns are there, objective pronouns are there, subjective pronouns are there, and as well as common pronouns are there, personal pronouns are there. So which are those common pronouns, which are those relative pronouns, which are those objective pronouns, which are those subjective pronouns, which are those personal pronouns. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या है, सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं, ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं और उसके साथ साथ कॉमन प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं, उनके बारे में हम डिटेल स्टडी आने वाले वीडियो में करेंगे. फिलहाल उसके पहले ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड जस्ट दीज आर द नेम्स और दीज हैव बीन कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोनाउंस व्हिच आर यूज्ड बिफोर द पर्सन, प्लेस एंड थिंग्स. कैसे? ही, रामा, सी, Sita, it, non-living thing, that also used before the person. I, we, group of the people, you, they, this, these, those. So these, those are supposed to be used for the plural nouns. This is used either for plural noun or as well as the object, before the object. How? This is my book. Understand? This is my book. So book is the meaning, book is the noun, whereas this is going to express the meaning of pronoun. So in the same way, we will discuss in detail in next video. Till then, take care. If you like my channel, please like it, subscribe it.